We're gonna do this Italian brain rot blind rank. So first, Tralala, of course, that's first place. Next, we have Boneca Ambalabu, of level 4. Savino Bombardino, I haven't seen him. So I'll put him 7. Next, Tripit Tropa Tripa. Really like him. Next, Trolimero Trolicino, I'll put him 6. Cappuccino Assassino. Second. Sahur. 10th place. I don't like him. Ballerina Cappuccino 3rd place. Burger Cappuccino 8th. My 5th is Brie Sleepers. That's also my favorite. Tell me rankings. Thanks all for watching. Peace. Peace out, lady.